Dear customer, we are going to inspect your order of automatic nylon zipper ultrasonic field stirring machine with standard configuration. For this machine, if for 80 cm zipper, the output is 1,800 pieces for 1 hour. And here is the outlook of this machine. As you can see, this is the zipper sample of the accessory order from you. And here is the side wheel of this machine. This is the electric force. And here is the nameplate of this machine. You can see the model is QLQ-UFSM. The series number is HT190407. If in the future, if you have any problem about this machine, you can contact with the model number and serial number for us. Then we will check it and solve the problems for you. Here is the control panel of this machine. You can have a check about this machine for the details. Okay, we will show you the working situation about this machine. Press start. Come from here and then seal. Okay, after sealing, we will show you next step. We'll show you the result. As you can see, the result. It's very clean and beautiful. Thank you.